In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can answer a reject an incoming call on the iPhone 16 series versus the Samsung Galaxy S24 or the S24 Plus or the Ultra series. So let's first look at the iPhone. Okay, on the iPhone here, to answer a call, I can just tap on it, accept, or I can tap on the decline button. I can tap on the decline button to decline the call. Now for the Samsung Galaxy S24, to answer the call, you cannot tap. You need to swipe it. And to decline the call, you also need to swipe it. You cannot tap. You need to swipe it to answer the call. Or to decline the call, I mean, sorry. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.